Our next stop is Norwood Square.
Where are we going? I think it's a
Hello, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're now embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland, followed by a visit to the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. We got a lot of travel ahead, so remember, for a safe trip, you need to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your children.
They want to go there, they want
Disneyland Railroad. Para sus amigas, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Did you folks hear that? Sounds to me like we've reached the wilds of Adventureland. We just might run into a lot of savage critters out there, including lions and tigers like cucumbers. Everybody best be on the lookout. You never know just what will show up. We're approaching our first stop, New Orleans Square Station. The station serves This is New Orleans Square.
Gonna go all the way, right? That's gonna be.